So today we have a 2016 BMW 5 Series. The job is to take out that screen there and put in this Android screen. So first and foremost, what we've got to do is we've got to take off all this trim, take out this unit here, take out that, and then connect what's the Android screen to the unit behind this. I'll show you step by step. But first and foremost, we've got to disconnect the battery, which is in the bin. Right, so I've already taken off this little piece of dash here. Under here, we've got to take off these screws to get the screen out. These screws to get this first plate off, and then there's 4 more screws after for me to pull out the unit to connect the new screen to. So we're all done. Remember, this was the old screen. Look at the difference, look at the size. This is the new screen. It is a nice looking screen. Look, old one, new one. So let's have a look. Stick it on. These systems take a while to load up, but we're gonna wait. See how good it looks already, mate. There we go. Look at that. It's also touchscreen. Oh, let's go back. But also the iDrive works. So you can still go for your iDrive. Sat nav, lovely. BMW 5 Series screen upgrade. Clarity Car Audio.